Welcome to class, students. Today we'll be looking at a very important topic titled Australian and Oceania Business Landscape. The Australia and Oceania region represents a multifaceted business environment characterized by significant economic potential alongside distinct operational challenges. This vast geographical area encompasses Australia's developed economy and the diverse island nations of Oceania, each presenting unique opportunity for business development and investment while requiring careful navigation of regional specific obstacles. So the key components of Australian business environment are economic performance and stability, human capital advantages, institutional and political framework, natural resources endowment. Economic performance and stability. Australia has established itself as a standout performer among developed economies, demonstrating remarkable resilience and consistent growth trajectories. The nation's economic expansion has significantly outperformed other advanced economies, with projections indicating an impressive 11.1% growth rate spanning the period of 2019 to 2024. This robust economic performance creates a favorable environment for both domestic enterprises and international investors seeking stable, profitable markets. We have human capital advantages. The Australian business landscape benefits substantially from a highly educated and adaptable workforce that serves as a cornerstone of competitive advantage. This skilled labour pool enables business to implement sophisticated technologies, develop innovative solutions and maintain high productivity level. The workforce adaptability proves particularly valuable in rapidly evolving industries and during periods of economic transition, allowing organizations to pivot strategies and embrace new market opportunities effectively. Institutional and political framework. Australia's stable political system and comprehensive regulatory environment provide the predictability and security that businesses require for a long-term planning and investment. This institutional stability, combined with transparent governance structure, creates an attractive climate for foreign investment climate for foreign capital. The Australian government actively supports business development through various initiatives, incentives and programs designed to foster entrepreneurship and economic growth. These supportive policies encompasses tax incentives, research and development grants and infrastructure investment that collectively enhance the business operating environment. We have natural resource endowment. Australia's abundant natural resources including coal, iron ore, natural gas form a significant component of national economy and provide substantial export revenue. This resource creates opportunity for businesses across the entire supply chain from extraction and processing to logistics and international trade. The resource sector strength contribute to Australia's favorable trade balance and provide economic stability through commodity. So key industry sectors driving Australian economic growth are the resource and energy, construction and infrastructure, technology and innovation, tourism and hospitality. Resource and energy. The resource sector encompasses mining and energy production has historically dominated Australia's economic landscape. This sector continues to generate substantial revenue through the export of raw materials and energy products to a global market, particularly in Asia. The industry established infrastructure and expertise provide a solid foundation for continued growth and technological advancements, while construction and infrastructure. Australia construction industry represent another significant economic pillar driven by both public infrastructure projects and private development. This sector benefits from population growth, urbanization trends and government investment in transportation, housing and commercial infrastructure. The construction industry multiplier effect stimulates related sectors and create employment opportunity across key levels. Technology and innovation. Australia is expecting or is experiencing a notable transformation towards technology-driven industry with substantial investment flowing into healthcare technology, renewable energy systems and biotechnology sector. This technological focus reflect the economy's evolution towards higher value activity and position Australia to compete in global innovation market. The growing emphasis on research and development creates opportunity for business to develop cutting edge solution and export technological expertise. We have tourism and hospitality. Australia natural beauty, diverse landscapes and vibrant urban centres attract millions of international visitors annually. The tourism industry generates significant economic activity through accommodation, dining, transportation and entertainment services. The sector's success depends on Australia's ability to maintain its reputation as a safe, accessible and culturally rich destination while managing environmental sustainability concerns. Challenges facing Australian businesses: we have labour market constraint. Despite the skilled workforce, many Australian business report significant difficulty in finding suitable staff across various industry and skill levels. Dis labour shortage create operational constraints, limit growth po ten tial and increases recruitment cost. The challenge affect both specialized technical position and general service roles, requiring business to develop innovative recruitment strategies and invest in employee retention programs. We have cost pressures and economic headwinds. Australian businesses face increasing operating cost across multiple areas including labour, utilities, rent and regulatory compliance. Dis rising expenses pressure profit margins and require businesses to improve operational efficiency and productivity. Additionally, business must navigate economic uncertainty while maintaining growth trajectories, requiring careful financial planning and risk management strategies. Supply chain vulnerability. Supply chain disruption continue to affect Australian businesses, reflecting both global logistic challenges and regional geographic constraints. Dis disruption impact inventory management, production scheduling and customer service levels. Business must develop a resilient supply chain strategies that incorporate multiple suppliers, local sourcing options and contingency planning for disruption scenarios. Oceania unique business landscape and opportunity. We have the natural resource diversity, tourism po ten tial and cultural heritage. We have climate change vulnerabilities, economic fragility and dependence, infrastructure and connectivity challenges. Natural resource diversity. The island nations of Oceania possess diverse natural resources including minerals, timbers and agricultural products that create economic opportunities for sustainable development. These resources can support both the domestic industry and export market, though extraction and processing must balance economic benefit with environmental protection requirements. We have tourism po ten tial and cultural heritage. Many oceanic islands offer extraordinary natural landscape, pristine environment and rich cultural heritage that attract tourists seeking unique experiences. Dis tourism po ten tial create opportunity for hospitality businesses, cultural enterprises and service providers while requiring careful management to preserve cultural authenticity and environmental integrity. We have climate change vulnerability. Oceania faces exceptional vulnerability to climate change impacts including rising sea level, in ten sifying extreme weather events and increased frequency of natural disaster. Dis environmental challenges strengthen existing infrastructure, disrupt economic activity and require substantial adaptation investment. Business must incorporate climate risk assessment into strategic planning and develop resilient strategies for long-term sustainability. Economic fragility and dependence. We also have infrastructure and connective challenges. Let's quickly look at the economic and fragility and dependence. Many island nations in Oceania demonstrate high economic fragility or vulnerability due to their dependence on specific industry or export market. Dis concentration create susceptibility to external economic shocks and fluctuation in global demand. Economic diversification efforts are essential for reducing these vulnerabilities and creating more stable economic foundation. We have the infrastructure and connective challenges. The remote location of many oceanic islands and limited infrastructure development create significant operational challenges for businesses. Transportation costs, communication limitation and utility constraint can limit business expansion. and increase operational expenses. Dis infrastructure gaps require strategic investment and innovative solutions to overcome geographic. Another growth opportunity is renewable energy development, sustainable tourism initiative and digital technology integration. Strategic investment in digital technologies can improve connectivity, enhance access to information and create new development opportunities throughout the region. Digital infrastructure development can overcome geographic isolation challenges, enable remote work opportunity and provide access to global market for local businesses. Technology adoption can improve efficiency across industry and create new service delivery models. Strategic regional development. Targeted investment addressing specific regional needs and priorities can unlock significant long-term value and promote sustainable development. These investments might include infrastructure development, education and training programs, healthcare system improvement, and environmental protection initiatives. Strategic planning can also ensure that investment creates lasting benefit and support regional economic and development goals. Thank you for listening.